Understood. So I think I'll take a step back. And not everything is surgery. Even in my NHS practice, the conversion rate is somewhere between 20 to 40%, depending upon which condition you're seeing, which means that if I have to see 100 patients, only 20 to 40 patients will need to undergo surgery. The rest of them are treated by other means. And in other means, my areas of special interest is, as I said, foot and ankle. One is arthroplasty, that I can do joint replacement of the big toe and of the ankle. But another thing is regenerative orthopedic medicine. Like we use stem cells, we use platelet-rich plasma, and at times we use steroid injections. And we are offering face-to-face in some cases where somebody has to be dealt with face-to-face. In that case, we take full PPE protection. We wear masks ourselves, we wear gloves, we clean our hands, we try to keep the distance as far as we can, but when we're examining, obviously we'd have to come closer, and we're trying to keep the contact time to bare minimum so that we're not in a small enclosed space for too long. But like most of my NHS patients at the moment as well, and as my private patients, we are doing virtual telephone consultation.